So hey guys, this is Will. Just finally finished a little something on wanted a community have for a while. It's a web app version of MadeSafe's demo app. And alright, I'm gonna walk you through it real quick. So the video is gonna be a little choppy. It's just my doing it from my laptop. But first step you want to have is the newest launcher. I think we're on version 0.10. And so you got that going, you're logged in, open up your browser, go to safedemo.wom, and you'll be at your demo app page. And first thing you want to do is come here and then gonna authorize, and request pops up, gonna make sure you just allow it. Alright, and then once that finishes, you're going to be able to go back to it and see first step is where you create your folders. Going to go ahead and name it. You can name it whatever you want. Just type in a folder name, Gallo, then click on create. These commands usually take a second, but it's definitely doing it. Don't cancel it out. Just getting patient. But so you go ahead and successfully created your directory. Just want to make sure it's really there. You click this link right here. It does a GET request. Gives you back your JSON data on your folder. Folder found. Tells you all the info about it. You can make as many folders as you want. You can make folders inside of folders. You can really handle all of your folder, eventually all of your files and IDs and everything from this demo app. Really try to make it full feature, but go ahead and see how you can just keep making folders. See the first part, you can put numbers in it, whatever you want. You can always keep searching for it just to make sure that your folder is really there. So when you're done, when you're happy with that, you can hit next. You can navigate with these down here, or you could just hit next if it's your first time. So so now this is where you can make your files. I know it looks small, but you can really make any type of file however you want it, just with these two boxes right here. So the first one, you're going to type a file name, type it whatever you want. You can put your extensions on it, you can put HTML, you can make it wherever you want. You can even make just a garbage, useless file with no extensions. And then you give it some content, whatever you want for it to say inside. Click save to create your file, and this save also updates your file. So if you don't like that, you actually want it to say instead of the longer one, then you can update that, make that important change, and it'll just the same button, it'll make those changes to it. So you don't need to delete and start over. You can just make changes right there, and then if you want to search for it, make sure it's really there. File found. Contents this. So we made the file and we updated it, all with these two buttons right here. And if you want to delete it, then you can press this, the red one, and just deletes it. Successfully deleted. Make sure it's deleted. You can try searching for it again. Perfect. File not found. So there we go. We're going to end up making a website at the end of this tutorial, so we're going to get that going. You can make your files inside of folders like this, which you actually have to do to make a website. So we made that yellow folder earlier, and we're making index.html. And let's go ahead and type just a little easy HTML inside. Okay, we got our little HTML index file inside of our folder, so we're all set. Go ahead and save that, and great, saved. We'll search for it, make sure it's there. And, oh wow, didn't think it would render like that, but anyway, okay, well, maybe let's just make it a little smaller, see what happens. It's a little crazy, but yeah, so you can make any type of file right here, straight in your browser. Don't need to download any software. It's all contained. Great, so we updated that, and this is our little website. So we're going to go ahead, click next, we're all happy. And this is where you make your IDs. You can make whatever ID you want, pretty much. I think there are some requirements, but and it's all free. You know, there's no SafeCoin yet, so you can grab all of them, and as long as you have put requests. So this is also part of your URL when you're making websites. So we'll do I don't know. Let's see if that one's taken. Go ahead and try to create one. And these messages aren't perfect, so this might not always be correct. You want to make sure you click here and check to see if you really got the ID or not. Okay, so yeah, blue, looks like we got it. Alright, these are all your IDs that you have right now that you can use to make websites, or for the email app, or for whatever you want. Public IDs are going to be really useful on Safe, so go ahead, try to get another one just to test it. And like I say, this particular message isn't bulletproof, I know for sure, so you want to make sure you search here, click here to search, and then yeah, this is how you know for sure you got it. Here's your ID. Once you have your ID, let's go to the final stage of the demo app. Alright, this is the last part of the demo app. This is where you pull it all together and you register your websites to get these safe addresses at the top. Alright, so in the first part we made our folder, and then second part we made our files with the yellow folder with the file index.html file inside, and then we made our IDs to get ready for this, and now we're going to pull it all together, get our safe addresses live and running. So go ahead and type our ID that we want to use. If you forgot what your IDs are, you can just click this link right here, and it'll give you a list of all your IDs, all the ones you have right now that you can use. And alright, now we're going to click our URL, whatever we want to call it. We'll call it the yellow site, because got our yellow folder, call it yellow site. And then this is the part where you type in the path to your index.html. So the one we made was the yellow folder, and then if we type out the whole thing, it's .index.html. But we're not going to type that because we don't need that here. But that's just so you know, this is the folder in the file that we made. But this just wants your home directory for the website, so we just type in the folder by itself. Alright, and once you have that free, your ID, what you want to call your URL, and then your path to your index file, and all your other website files, you go ahead and click activate. Great, and I know that this message isn't bulletproof, always true either, so you want to make sure you copy it and test it out in your browser. And then, great, now we got our big website, our big important website. It's live right now, and all of this was done through the safe browser just to this website. Alright, yeah, hope you guys like it. Something I wanted to do for a while now, and now we have it, so you don't need to download a demo app anymore. It can all just be contained in one piece of software. You can navigate with these at the bottom if you want. Skip around and see the different, just do whatever you need to do. So alright, hope you guys like this. More to come soon. Alright, thanks guys.